in a celebration, and it's honor. It's truly an honor, and I could probably carry on going, talking about how much I love them, and I think the feeling's mutual for the people that did meet them as well. That connection was very fast. They made, and we miss them. And like Nadeem Bhai said, still have them feelings, and I think they're with us in spirit, and that's why we still feel that as well. And it's being a part of this journey from being with Bhai, it's an honor as well to actually get a bit more deeper knowledge of what this is all about. Spirituality, the knowledge, the practices, the help that other people benefit from here as well. But yeah, it's been great. And,
doing the right thing.
Doing the right thing, yeah.
Doing the right thing.
Doing the
main
right
thing
thing
is doing the right thing.
Yeah.
Without having a ego in front of it.
Yeah.
Like yourself is ego. आप खुद ego हो ना.
And then how